In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 4 winning products for TikTok Shop for February 2026. So here's a February reality. Winter proms still exist, many people are indoors and bored, and buying is more emotional and not logical. So products tend to win when they fix winter life. You want to keep in mind that it's still the cold weather, people want to better their indoor living, they care about comfort and recovery, as well as air quality and dryness. So the rule is that if it makes winter easier, it sells. And products tend to do well on TikTok Shop usually have these traits. They have instant visual clarity, so viewers understand it within 3 seconds. They solve a daily annoyance, so they solve an actual problem. And they are also affiliate friendly, so they're easy for creators to demonstrate at home. So let's talk about product number 1, which is the indoor portable heater. This solves an immediate winter pain. This works for bedroom, offices, or any living space. And this is an easy emotional justification. People would think I'm cold now, so I need this right now. And let's take a look at the product. So here we are in Callow data, and this is the product right here. This is the price, commission rate, and in the last 7 days alone, this product generated $319,000 in revenue. So it's a very hot product right now, as you can see. So let's come down here to look at the actual product video. Let's check this one out.
This thing shocked the shit out of me. I put this heater out in my garage and it was toasty in 10 minutes. This is a 2.5-foot space heater, fully controllable by a remote. The best part, it's not going to break the bank. If you just need an affordable space heater for any home, this is it. It's eco-friendly, easy to adjust the temperature, and it oscillates. The hardest part is grabbing these when they're in stock. They just restocked them, so if you still see that orange shopping cart, I highly suggest grabbing one before they're gone again.
So that was the product video that generated $11,000 in revenue. And if you want to look at the other examples, you can just sign up for a free trial for Callow data, and I will list out a direct link in the description below. So let's look at the next product, which is the Ergonomic cervical memory foam pillow. This fixes winter comfort and recovery pain. It supports better sleep posture and relieves neck and shoulder tension. People tend to feel more when cold and inactive. So that's the problem that it solves. And this is also an easy emotional upgrade because sleep quality for most people is a need and not just a want. So let's look at the product here. So this is the pricing of the product. And the commission rate for this product is higher. It's at 15%. And in the last 7 days, this pillow has sold over $297,000 in revenue. So this one is a very hot product as well. So let's come take a look at a video. And that simple video generated 546,000 views and $22,250 in sales. So let's move on to product number 3, which is the Comfort Dreamer Blanket, which is a weighted blanket. So this targets winter comfort and stress relief. Weighted cozy blankets help calm anxiety when people spend more time indoors. And in terms of the visual, it sells well on camera because demos are simple, satisfying, and scroll stopping. So there's a product right here and has a really high rating, and the commission rate is 10%. And as you can see here, is recently trending up. So let's take a look at a video here.
Guys, Comfort just came out with a mega dreamer blanket. The measurements are 100 by 108. This is incredible. I'm holding the medium-sized dreamer blanket for size reference, and this is the color Frost. My boyfriend is actually standing on our bar stools right now, and he is 6'4". So if that doesn't prove how large this is, I don't even know what will, and it's still dragging on the ground.
Size reference, this is literally my king size bed and it fits completely on it. I have every single size and almost every single color in this blanket because my friends actually fight over it. It is double sided, so you don't have to worry about fighting over what side is better. This one is absolutely huge and I have a feeling it's going to sell out so fast. For this one, I got the color Frost just because it matches all my aesthetic, but it also comes in other colorways as well.
And in Callow data, there's a really useful function. Let's say if you want to export this script, you can just click on this button here and click on transcript export. and then the exact script is going to be exported in just a couple of seconds. So here we have the script. So this is really helpful if you need help scripting. You can also go to the script optimizer here, and then the AI will basically analyze the whole script and tell you exactly why it was so effective. And here you see all the detailed breakdown. So this will definitely help you save a lot of time in terms of understanding the video. So it can definitely help you script better and also come up with your own content ideas better. So let's look at product number 4, which is the Quiet Cool Mist Humidifier. This fixes winter air dryness caused by heaters. It improves breathing, skin, and sleep comfort. Smart features feel premium. Wi-Fi control and low noise make it ideal for any rooms. So let's look at the product. So this product has a really high rating as well. In the last 30 days, it generated $31,000 in revenue. Recently trending up as well. And let's come down here. And let's look at a product video.
Are you guys itchy in the winter? Grab one of these. This is what helps us. The Cool Mist humidifiers in our house. We have a bunch of them because our air gets really dry. So this one's my fave because it has a timer on it, also 3 different modes, and then it's really quiet. So click the link if you guys need one of these in your house.
So that's all for this video. That was the top 4 products for TikTok Shop this month. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing. I post every month on the best products on TikTok Shop. Until next time, see you in the next one.